Good morning. Today I've got two tips to help increase your investment returns and increase them substantially. And these are to stay invested and to have an accountability partner. Now, these seem like simple concepts. I realize that. However, they're not always the easiest to practice. The reason I say that is that when the market goes down, there's a very strong tendency for all of us to want to sell and get out of the market and then rebuy at a cheaper price or get back in when it's cheaper. The problem is that we don't really know when that is. And you could be selling really at the bottom and having to get back in at more expensive prices. And the smartest thing to do is to stay invested. Now, in recent weeks, really in the last over month, we've seen some of our interest rates go up. And some of these are in a little bit longer term profile. So, for instance, the interest rate on the US Treasury note that's called the 10-year has gone up in the range of between 1.6 and 1.7%. Remember, a year ago, it was trading at like less than half a percent. So that's a pretty big jump. Even though that interest rate is still very low, that's a big increase compared to where it was. And this can weigh on the market. Now, the market has not declined. However, I always want to make sure you're prepared for a market to decline at any time. I mean, we could have a market crash. I mean, the market could also keep going up. There are many variables affecting that. But if it declines, you need to stay in the market. And if you can, keep buying, keep investing, buy at those cheaper prices. The second tip is you want to make sure that you are having an accountability partner. This could be a financial advisor, which is something I strongly recommend, either an advisor or a coach. But it's just someone, if you don't necessarily have the money for that, it's just someone who keeps you on your path to financial freedom, someone who keeps you accountable. Make sure that you're not doing stuff that's contrary to your plan. Please post a question or a comment. Send me a private message if you want to talk about it privately. I always enjoy reading your comments. And until next time, I wish you unlimited success.